Hello you wonderful YouTubies, I'm the Alcoholic Gamer and we're going to be playing some more Heroes of the Storm. I'm going to be rocking Sergeant Hammer in this game. Not very experienced with him, but I'm on a bit of a gold rush, trying to get as much gold as I can. And my Sergeant Hammer is level 4 and a bit, so it seemed like a sensible thing to do to try and get him to level 5. Just to get that little gold injection when you do hit them on level 5.
10 seconds.
So, stealth and extra damage in siege mode. Disabling effects reduced while in siege mode. Increased confidence. I'm gonna do this. Extra siege damage mode. Just because I'm gonna try and spend as much time as I can hard pushing the lane, and by that I mean I'm gonna get as close to the lanes as I can. And I'm gonna get into siege mode as often as possible. I will be trying to pick up the that's what we like to see. Well played, Valor. So you can see we're doing it. Oops, I didn't mean to put force mode on there, but we will do anyway, it's no big deal. I'll just dive in there.
I got this.
Oh, they want me and they want me bad.
Your wounds are deep. Head to the healing fountain quickly.
Some splash damage on those heroes. No, no, don't push him out, Valor, I can't move.
Affirmative.
Let's get him in there. So with Sergeant Hammer, we have got spider mines on our Q. And on our W, we've got Concussive Blast, which just basically pushes the enemies away from us, which is nice. And on E, we've got go into siege mode or come out of siege mode. I'm gonna stay out of siege mode for now. Just we have pushed them right our lane. If I go here, can get away no problem there. Shame we haven't got like an instant siege mode option. See, look at all this damage we're getting in. There we go, getting all the kills. We are leaving lanes untapped though, which I don't like very much. We're going to increase the basic attack range, because that means that we can hit towers without actually being in range of them hitting us, which I like a lot. So we can just support Valor from all this way away.
Rock and roll.
Take them off the horses. She's gone that way, so we'll put some mines down there. She's going to try and jump on me, I guess. We're getting some good wins here.
Proceed.
So I'm just blindsided. Tunnel vision for Valor. We've got a lot of love for Valor there. Put some more mines out there. Just help us hold the fort a bit. Oopsies. Nice.
Good work.
So if I siege up here,
Rock and roll.
see, look at this. I can just hit the towers from a long way away. Don't really want to get near me because Valor's there. He's not even going to try, apparently. We are going to get this tower down. Oh, he's realised. Jump away from him. I'm going to go for the activate for heal over time. Seems to make sense to me. We'll stand here. We'll stay in stealth. Just protect Valor while she gives in the gems. Oh, now they're oh, they got me. Not the worst thing that could have happened. Get those gems, Valor. Beautiful. Nice roll out the way too. So we are doing a fantastic job. We held that lane nicely. We are a level ahead. 5 kills ahead.
Rolling.
And then we're managing to hold this lane. We've even got the tower down, nearly the door down, and now our web weavers are coming in, so that's even more perfect. So I am gonna just sit in this lane and spam them away. So we'll keep the minions all kept down. But look at that, they don't even want to play this. They don't even want to play with me. Be well careful though, Valor, don't go dying.
Roll.
Oh, bit of screen stutter. Not entirely sure how she managed to get there, but still. They're just taking so much damage. Oh, I wish I could just inch forwards a little bit. We will be able to, just not yet. So here we go. We are going to get Napalm Strike. Which is this. So we're doing a lovely job of keeping that all pushed up. I'll just scoot in here, pick up all these things. And then we can still see where everybody else is. Swing Napalm Strike onto that building because it will burn it. We'll just get this fort down, I think. This is a beautiful game. They're not even pushing me, they're not trying to kill me. And it's much too late for them to be playing around. We're just getting so much damage done, it's unbelievable. Now, what's the cooldown on this? 60 seconds. We'll hit that and just heal up so we don't have to go back. Now we are doing an absolutely amazing job here. Just keeping all of them dead. In the very best way possible. And now we've killed all of them, we might as well get that camp as well. Put a napalm in there. I'm just going to go back top. We don't need the XP so much because we're already past level 10. But it's always beneficial to keep the lanes pushed up and keep the XP lead going. Because it may change at any time, you never know.
Heal up and get back here.
I am going to do just that, I am going to heal up and get back there, that's for sure. All the lanes pushed up, which leaves us with no easy sulking to be done. I'm going to go here. Away.
Choose a talent.
What are we gonna do? Impose your basic attacks against history. Create a wall of path blocking debris for 4 seconds. That sounds good.
Your enemy is deserving of my power.
Oh, I was checking the talents. That was completely my bad. Enemy Kerrigan. I select 1 position map and 0 player move. Because you're not the boss. Let's say basic attacks deal extra damage if we're not attacked. So that sounds like a good thing. Gotta hate players that just think that they can win everything and they are the boss and the leader instinctively. And as I illustrated earlier, the experience gap can be closed, as it appears it just has been. Let's zoom on over here.
Napalm. Light up my life.
I'm gonna stay in the worst place possible. Well played, Valor. I'm not moving at all because
Hey,
that's on cooldown.
it's been a blast.
It's been a blast.
I got this. Uh-oh.
My web wings have fallen. Gather gems if you wish to be
Subreal
spared.
something terrible.
Just get ready. Halo.
Enemy defeated.
Consider your play
Perform again.
No, you ran the wrong way, dude.
Me.
That's a really bad position. Although I could finish, I could get out with.
I got this.
Well done.
And rain down some hellfire. I never spread lightly. Spread the love. Dang, damn it.
Slaughter their foes.
Well, I couldn't get away from it, so I figured I might as well stay for the duration. He's gonna not die to minions because it's Shen. Or Chen. I'm never entirely sure what to call it, but still. We're doing some wonderful hero damage for some reason. I have no idea why, but it seems that we're doing some fantastic hero damage. Deal extra damage to disable targets. Move slowly in siege mode. This is what we're gonna do. Because I don't like sieging up and then moving. I would rather be able to crawl around the arena and get as much, save as much time as possible. I am gonna just head top immediately. I do believe, although they might not need me, but as they're keeping them busy mid, I'm just gonna head that way. I am gonna speed boost my way there, because why not? Not quite the best speed boost I've ever seen, but still. No, why do you keep changing this? I'm clicking by accident, I'm not really noticing. It would seem so. Okie dokie, so let's jump on this one now.
Hour of the spider.
So we're just gonna spam everything we've got onto there. Safe in the knowledge that the tower cannot quite reach us, and we should be able to get this keep, because apparently they're completely ignoring me. And there they are, just about to
Do
arrive.
that again
And
sometime.
Kel'Thas is gonna die
I
anyway,
never
so
spread lightly.
there's just no need to bother with this. And we'll hand in these 3 gems just so Sylvanas stays happy. Sergeant Hammer is a really weird playstyle, in complete honesty. He's he is entirely different to everything else I've ever played.
Light up my life.
Why are you going that way, Kel'Thas?
Affirmative.
Boom!
Boom! Shakalaka.
Shagalaka!
your death.
So now we can just edge forwards. This is what we like. Do slow moving stuff. But all in the name of good fun. Although this is a pointless maneuver, but we can... There we go. Rock on down to... Oops. That was a suicide mission if ever I saw one. So
Delighted
we
to,
can
sir.
stay here. 3 of them are dead. Heal up, might as well. Just get in range of this.
Rain down some hellfire.
10 for a bit. We'll do quite a lot of damage to him and we'll put him off. So we can just edge around the map like so.
Choose a talent.
drop in the back.
Napalm! Right up our back. I got
Okay, they're not
Keep it up.
playing the game.
Killing spree.
Yeah, screw
that
it,
looks
why not?
like fun.
As we are
Move it or lose it.
currently sieging the pants off them.
Spread the love.
Oh, you got me. Put a lot of effort into catching me there, though. It's got to be said. You put a lot of effort into getting me there. Blew all his cooldowns at once. He deserves the little kill. And we have... They've got through the front door. Not the front door. Kind of got in a little bit there. We're winning this one quite strongly, I feel. We're doing alright. We're doing alright. We're doing our best to keep the team going, keep the team happy. Nice quick game, which is always fun. I do like it when they're quick games. We've just got their core left to get, but all our lanes are going to win. And they've yet to get through there. We could even go for boss, perhaps. But not while they're all alive. Because they are now. The enemy web weavers, how did they manage that? Let's not get silly now, boys. Let's try and keep it together. Because they are 5-manning everything. Be a little bit careful, a little bit cautious.
Ready to roll out.
I'll just power down. And we'll go to there. And we'll just rotate, take out the web weavers. The web weavers do lose damage do lose health over time, rather. So they don't last forever. So the fact that they're all so far away is a big benefit to us. Go on, just stay there.
Delivering. Halo.
Okay, let's get some. Boom! Get all the damages on. There's Valor who's going to put all that effort into killing me again. But it's of no benefit, it seems. Got all their gems just floating around that Muradin didn't even want to try and get. I'm not the only one left alive, surely. Just go and wipe out this fella down here. Do it from the back, the least sensible way to do it. And we'll just clear up all of these minions. Carrying 11 gems. 10 wants to have a go.
Spread the love. I got it.
Oh, he's right. They killed me. They didn't take the towers. They didn't take the structures at all. They could have done with the 2 tanks being there. Alex PO17 and Maligos. So we are taking some hits now. We are dying quite a lot. The tanks are getting tankier. The DPS is getting stronger, and we're getting spread out too much, which is stupid in my opinion. We're wasting time seriously. That was a lovely dupe, albeit not quite enough. And now they are just picking us off, it seems. Yeah, this is what we want when we're catching them out. So we shall take Sergeant Hammer and go straight down the mid again. They've only got their core left and we just can't seem to be able to finish the game. We're just not making any progress at all. We should probably hand in the gems as well, that would help. For a massive group pushing there.
Ready to go.
Yeah, so let's head.
Delighted to, sir.
No, I'll head down there because they're all mid. I know eyes 2 players. Maybe no. I didn't see 2 players.
I got
English is
this.
obviously not Carlos's first language, which is not a problem. After all, I am an English teacher myself. But I don't understand that one.
Rolling. Napalm airborne.
we'll just take these fellas out. That's nice and easy. Collect that. How many gems? I've got 3. I'll hand them in. We'll get the word weavers. They're all pushing top, so we're probably alright there. I've just got the siege camp, the mercenaries from mid. We'll make quick work of them. Don't even need me for that.
Delighted to, sir. Delivering. Halo.
So we can clear those up and then.
Fire from the sky. Moving or losing.
Wow, all the efforts.
Affirmative.
Affirmative.
And rain down some hellfire.
Oh, unlucky. Just break these
Sayonara,
gems here.
sucker.
You get no mount as Sergeant Hammer, which makes logical sense really, as there is.
Rolling.
I don't know what would you do, put a tank on a bike or on a horse? I don't think so. So let's just start hitting this now. So that massive amount of damage there. Beautiful finish to the game. And the complimentary GG. Let's see how we did. Yeah, we did good. We contributed to the team well, I feel. Everybody's got good experience contribution on our side. That's really nice. Could have been involved in the team fights a little bit more, perhaps. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the episode. Take it easy and keep smiling.